Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechnoHub. Today I will show you another video of my YouTube channel. This video will be little bit interesting, so please stay tuned till end. And if you think that this video will be little bit fascinating than other videos, then please click on the like button and also subscribe my channel for latest videos and updates. Now I will show you an Arduino related project. In this video I will show you how can we create a smart car. Yes, a smart car which is controlled by a smartphone. So let's start. To make this project we need some essential apparatus. The following apparatus are Arduino Uno board. You can also use Arduino Mega board, Arduino Nano board, etc. The second apparatus is our HC05 module. It is a Bluetooth module. Some alligator clips, a 12-volt battery, a motor driver L2N9N, and the most essential thing to complete our project, that is the car chassis. So let's do our circuit. To start this project we have to know about this motor driver. The name of this motor driver is L298N motor driver. So why this is called L298N motor driver? Because this motor driver contains L298N IC. Here you can see this is out 1, out 2, out 3 and out 4. Through these pins we can easily connect our DC motors. Here this is our power terminal. So in this power terminal, this is our 5 volt, this is ground and this is 12 volt. We have to connect our 12 volt battery's positive terminal to this 12 volt terminal and the negative terminal of our battery to its ground terminal. And the most important thing is the pins. These pins we have to connect to our Arduino board. Here this is enable pin 1, this is IN1, IN2, here IN1 and IN2 for these terminals of output 1 and output 2, and IN3 and IN4 for output 3 and output 4. And the first pin is enable pin 1. The enable pin 1 is for first type motors, means output 1 and output 2, and enable pin 2 is for output 3 and output 4. At first we have to take these kinds of car chassis. You can easily order these kinds of car chassis through different kinds of online apps. So we have to take L298N motor driver and set the DC motor wires. See, we all know that this is our 12 volt terminal. See, this is ground and this is 5 volt terminal. So 12 volt terminal will connect to the positive terminal of our DC battery. I will connect the terminal later. So we have to connect the wires to the input terminals means IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4 and enable 1 pin and enable 2 pin. Enable 1, IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4, and the last one is enable pin 2. According to our programming, IN2 pin, 1 pin will connect to pin number 2, digital pin number 2. IN2 pin will connect at pin number 4. IN3 at pin number 7 and IN4 at pin number 8. Here this is enable pin 2 that will connect to pin number 6. So now we have to connect our Bluetooth module. So let's do this. So now we have to connect this AC05 Bluetooth module. Here you all know that this is our 5V terminal, this is our ground terminal, this is TX and this is RX. So we have to connect our 5V terminal to the 3.3V terminal of our Arduino. So let's connect this. Our 5V terminal to our 3.V in ground 5V 3.3V, and the ground will connect to the ground. TX will connect to pin number 10 and RX will connect to pin number 11. Next we have to power off the Arduino through the motor driver. So the ground will connect to the ground of the Arduino and the 5V terminal will connect to the V-in terminal of our Arduino. Let you all can see that our circuit is completely done. So let's go to our coding session. So this is our software coding. If you want to download this programming, I will give you the link in the description. There you can download this programming. So at first you can see this is software serial.h. We take this library, then we mention our Bluetooth pin number TX is connected to pin number 10 and RX to pin number 11. Then I have declared IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4 at pin number 2, 4, 7, 8 and enable pin 1 and 11 pin 2 to pin number 5 and pin number 6, and I declared the speed with the help of character at 210. Then here we taking read data type. Now my app is only making by myself, and if you want to make your own app, then, and if your read data type is another, like here my app's read data type is forward, so I write here forward. But if you write another kinds of data, then you have to change in this program. So here read data type equal to forward, then here digital write equal to IN1 high and IN2 low, and enable pin 1 speed, and IN3 high, IN4 low, and enable to speed. So in same concept, I write read data type reverse, stop, left, and right. I will give you the link in the description. There you can download this programming. And I make a app. If you want to download this, I will give you the link in the description. There you can download my app. After flashing our program, let's complete our setup. So we have to set this just above our circuit. So we set our top of our chassis. Now we have to set a switch. For secure our circuit. Now we have to set the -12-volt battery. This is our alligator clip. We have to connect the wires, the alligator clip. You all can see that the light of our Bluetooth module is blinking, so that's why I can see that our circuit is done completely.